Namaskar, my dear divine family, and welcome to Panchaportal. I hope to God that each one of our dreams do come true. पंचपोर्टल एक ऐसा गेटवे है जो आपकी जिंदगी के 5 एरियाज के बारे में आपको बताता है। बिजनेस, मनी, रिलेशनशिप्स, योर हेल्थ एंड योर स्पिरिचुअल जर्नी। इन 5 पोर्टल्स के बारे में बताएंगे वीकली बेसिस पे मेरे यानी ट्रांसेंडिंग बिलीव्स के एक्सपर्ट्स फ्रॉम द फील्ड ऑफ मोक्षपथ।
Namaste everyone, Lakshita here. I'm an occult practitioner and divination expert. Welcome to this week's Panchaportal Mokshapatam guidance for February 9th to February 15th. This week is all about creating harmony between your heart and mind. You may feel emotionally sensitive, but at the same time, you're being guided to think clearly and make wiser decisions. If you have been feeling confused, stuck, or mentally restless, this week supports you in coming back to alignment. Don't make choices from fear or urgency. Choose what feels right, stable, and aligned. As the week moves forward, your thoughts become calmer and you will start seeing the right path without forcing it. This is a powerful time to plan, organize, and make wiser decisions with confidence. Remedy for clarity and balance. Apply lavender essential oil on your wrists or behind your ears. It helps you to calm, relaxed, and centered. Chant Hreem 21 or 108 times daily. This helps you gain clarity, strengthens inner wisdom, and supports you in making the right decision at right time. Thanks for watching. Follow our page for more spiritual insights and guidance.
Namaste Divine Souls, I'm Alpa within Panchaportal program for the period of 9th to 15th February 2026 for the realm of Prospero Vitality. This week the Mokshapatha would open the plane of Purgatory, which simply means the result of your intentions and karmas. What have you been sowing through your thoughts, action and choices now begins to show it outcomes. This is a deeply transformative phase. It gently asks you to reflect, purify and realign. How you work with money now becomes very important. How you earn, spend, invest, save, donate or expand your business, everything matters. Money will respond in same manner. If you handle it with awareness, respect and clarity, it will flow back with stability and growth. The same principle applies to your physical body. If you have ignored rest, nourishment or self-care, this is the time to correct it. Support your body with healthy food, gentle exercise, meditation, proper sleep and relaxation and rejuvenation. This is the time to rectify your financial matters and concentrate on your physical body's ask. Release guilt, past mistakes and self-judgment. Simple remedy for the week. Every morning or evening, light a candle or incense stick and affirm quietly, I respect my body, I respect my money, I allow purification and positive flow in my life. For personal guidance, please message us directly. Thank you. This is Alpa, a Mokshapatha expert and guide, access bar healer and manifestation coach, taking leave for now. Have a beautiful and conscious week ahead. Thank you.
मोक्षपथ एक ऐसी साइंस जो 12th सेंचुरी में ऋषियों ने बनाई to give you an idea of what life should be, of how to master yourself and to walk the path of practical spirituality. I never knew I could have my cake and eat it too till I met Mokshapatha in my life. However, if you think Mokshapatha is not for you, think again. Mokshapatha हम सबके लिए है. So if you are ready to welcome Mokshapatha into your life, do comment on this video and let us know. We will get in touch with you with the correct information. Till then, enjoy the next few videos of Panchaportal and complete this week's reading, hoping it brings you all the wellness you desire.
Hi, welcome. This is Karishma, your Mokshapatha expert and tarot card reader. The guidance for the month of February, week 2, which is from 9th of Feb to 15th of Feb for the realm of work energy flow. This realm is about your behavioral action and work environment. The board is guiding you to release things consciously that are not relevant in your life. Flow means movement, so this week your work is demanding release. Release any stagnation in your work area, like old patterns of working which are not favorable, wrong staff, ineffective people on the project. Either shift your staff according to their potential or implement rules that will change their habit and bring positive outcome at your workplace. Create a space for open and healthy discussions, as this will help in letting go of grudges. This also will encourage trust, clear understanding, and a positive impact at your workplace. If you are in a retail or any business that requires stock or storage, then this week calls for removing all your stagnant old stock. On the personal level, you also have to let go of your own rigidity, that things should go only my way and that I am right. You also have to accept the point of view of others and make changes by seeing what is required for your business and what is required for your good future. You also need to look into your staff and your team's performances this week. Clear any issues or conflicts in this area. Remedy for you for this week is chant Reem for clarity. Thank you.
नमस्ते, मैं हूँ मीनू, आपकी दोस्त, आपकी साथी. I am a life coach, divination expert and energy therapist. Today I am going to give you the guidance for the realm of heart connection from February 9th to February 15th, 2026 according to Moksha Portal. The realm of heart connection represents your relationship with your loved ones. इस सप्ताह आपका अपने अपनों के साथ संबंध और भी प्रगाढ़ होगा. आप अंतर्मन से आनंद का अनुभव कर पाएंगे और उस आनंद को सभी के साथ बांट पाएंगे. साथ ही आपको ये बोध होगा कि क्या करके और क्या नहीं करके हम अपने संबंधों में नवीनता ला सकते हैं. आप ये भी समझ पाएंगे कि सच्चा सुख किसी को बांध कर रखने में नहीं बल्कि उसको स्वतंत्र छोड़ने में है. If you chase a butterfly, it flies away. But if you make a garden for them, all the butterflies return to it. अर्थात सच्चे स्नेह और समर्पण के साथ सभी को समीप लाया जा सकता है. एज अ रेमेडी एक छोटा सा स्विच वर्ड, वैदिक स्विच वर्ड राम राज्य, इसको आप छोटी छोटी पर्चियों पर लिखकर अपने लिविंग एरिया में जगह जगह चिपका सकते हैं जहां आपकी और आपके अपनों की नजर बराबर पड़ती रहे. इससे आपके संबंध और भी सुदृढ़ होंगे. आज के लिए इतना ही. मिलेंगे नेक्स्ट वीक नई गाइडेंस के साथ. टिल देन स्टे ट्यून एंड स्टे ब्लेस्ड. बाय.
Namaste Divine Souls, this is Alpa with you sharing Mokshpata board guidance for the period of 9 to 15 February 2026 for the realm of divine alignment. This week is guided by fragrance and the energies of this period is positive and supportive. This is a time of spiritual growth and inner alignment. Your intuition becomes stronger during this phase. You may start feeling what is right for you without much thinking. The universe may send you signs in simple ways through words, people, thoughts, dreams, or sudden clarity. Be observant and gentle with yourself. This is also a time when you may feel drawn towards spiritual practices. You may feel like meditating, praying, chanting, or learning something new that nourishes your soul. Just like a gentle fragrance reaches you without efforts, divine guidance also comes softly when you stay aware and present. Blessings from your mentor, guide, or higher sources are active during this period. Their energy helps you to expand your spiritual boundaries and move closer to your life purpose. Trust what you feel when intuition guides you. Life flows with less resistance. This week supports clarity, faith, and divine connection. Allow yourself to align naturally. There is no need to force anything. Time for remedy. Use a natural fragrance and breathe deeply. Let it align you with divine guidance. For deeper clarity and personal guidance, messages directly. Thank you. Alpa, Mokshpata expert guide, access bar healer and manifestation coach signing off for now. Thank you. Have a great week ahead.
I hope this week's Punch Portal adds a lot of value and wellness to your life. If you have a question or if you would like to get a personal reading, do leave us a comment telling us the name of the professional you would like to work with. And remember, 2025 is a whole new slate to write on. So wish you a very happy new year and happy manifesting.